Hello everyone. So today we are going to address this issue in our portal system. So here when I shoot on these white surfaces, I can create a portal, but even if I shoot on an edge, you can see the portal is placed. But in a situation like this, if I shoot here, instead of spawning the portal here, it should be spawned down below to make sure that portal is within this area of the given white surface. So that's the problem we are going to address in this episode. Alright, so this is what we have at the moment. So we just do a line trace to determine the hit location, and if that hit is a portal surface, if the surface of the actor is a portal surface, we do this. We place a portal there. So that's basically what happens. Oh, one thing, we could simplify this. So I'll do something like this. Inside this place portal function, before we attempt to place the portal, let's do a test. Something like this. I'll create a function. Now let's have a simple setup. I'll just like this d1, d2. I'll add another object. Let me just duplicate this. d3. Yeah, I'll call it dummy portal. So what I'm planning to do is having another portal with the bounds. So I'm gonna do some tests to determine if the portal can fit on that location. So dummy portal, under the dummy portal I'll add another scene component. So this is somewhat to avoid some vector calculations. So I'll call this R. Why does this always expand? Dummy portal is here. This is, I'll call it down because it's already down. Control D, and up. I'll move it 100 units up and duplicate both. L left 0 minus 50. It's not 64. Okay, I'll make it it's not actually, it's right. It doesn't matter, this is right. So minus 65, at least from the perspective I am looking at, it's right. So I'll make it right. This one, L, I'll set it plus 65. Okay, now this dummy portal, we have these 4 points. I'll rotate all of them 180 degrees because I want to use their rotation, their forward vector, as the direction I want to do the line trace. Okay, now where is here I'll give the location, get the location and the rotation, and do a macro can place portal. Well, it should have a execution line as well, input and output. Do I need a name? I'll name this can place. Now I'll place the dummy portal. Set world location and rotation using these two values. Then we don't need this. Let me rename this location rotation. Then I have to do 4 line traces using these locations. I'll start with L. I'll do a line trace, line trace by channel, and starting point is get world location. Oh, where? Here, where is it? I'll pull them this way a little bit. 26, I'll make it 25, so that we can use this as the start location, and from the forward vector multiply it by 50 and add to the start point. We can use that as the end location. So this is the start, and from this we can get forward vector, multiply it by 50, say, and add to this. That's the end location. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have used multi-line trace. It should be line trace by channel. Start and end. Okay, now let's promote this to another function. I'll call it check surface, check surface, and I'll make it a pure function. So we need to get a hit. That's the first thing. And if we get a hit, we can break this, and from the physics material get the surface type, and we can do a switch. No, let's do this. We can check if this is equal to portal surface, then return that result. Otherwise, just return false. Right. Now, we need to do the same for all the portals. all these locations. Okay, and then we can get the AND of this. All has to be true. Only then we should be able to place a portal. Oh wait, this is a macro, so we don't really need an output. What we need is a branch, and output only if we can place the portal. So now this is how it looks. Okay, now let's check. Yeah, here I can place the portal. If I shoot below, it doesn't place the portal. Right. Let me enable the line trace to see that in action. See, 4 line traces, so one is above, so it's not placing the portal. Okay, so in a situation like this, what it should do is it should place the portal a little below rather than placing it exactly in the location we shoot. So it's better to place it below than not placing it at all, because if we just move it a little down, it can fit. So how can we do that? Well, here, instead of simply placing the portal like this, so this is the new placement. First check up, then if this is true, down, if this is true, left, if this is true, right. So if up is false, we have to move down the location a little bit. So get the dummy portal, get up vector. So we if up is not hitting, that means we need to move down. So okay, do we have a down vector? No, yeah, no problem. And get at the location, get world location. Then let's multiply this by, let's say, 50 minus 50, and add to this. Right, so this is going to be the new location. And then again get the dummy portal, set to world location with this new value. Right, now we have to again check this. We may do a recursion, but there is a chance this might go in an infinite loop. Anyway, let's test this. So if I show it here, wait, why did it place? Oh, sorry. We should actually return we should actually use the location of dummy portal here when we place. So get the dummy portal, get word location, right? So if I show it here, see, it actually moves down and places it. Great. Similarly, what if I shoot on downside like this? So it's not working. It's not trying to move up. So to do that, well, we can kind of do the same thing, but instead of positive, instead of negative, I will have to use positive. So like this. So here also we will have to connect the same. Right? See, now it moves up. Great. Now to the left and to the right. So for that, yeah, same thing, but instead of up vector, we will have to use the right vector. Well, I think we can collapse this to a macro. Offset dummy portal. And this is A is offset direction. Okay, and here where? Delete this and use this. Up vector, up vector multiplied by -1 so that we can get the down vector. Actually here, yeah, let me just promote this as a parameter. I'll call it scale. So here we did -50 and here we did +50. Right. Let me quickly check again. Yeah, still working. If we want, we can actually change. Instead of 50, we can use something like, let's say 25. We can have a lesser movement of offset. Okay. Now for left and right, the same thing, but for left, we will have to use the right vector. Time portal is this, left is this, and right is this. Okay, so get right vector and should I use the scale 25? Should this be positive or negative? Well, yeah, it should be negative. Okay, and same as before, connect this way. And for the last one, R, same thing, but plus 25. Okay, let me save first everything just in case crash or anything. Right, so it adjusts to the right side as well. Cool. Okay, nice. So I think we can stop this episode right here for now. Let me shoot this edge. See, it does a number of hits and find the location. Alright, so yeah, that's a good place to stop. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download in Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.